it's 37 and 7/8. 37 and 7/8. And then here it's 2 inches and 1/4. So let's go, guys. Let's cut baseboard. Let me finish here as well. So I'm going to measure that as well. So guys, I'm ready to cut the 45 angle, which is the inside 45 angle. So first, don't forget to wear your protected glasses. So this is how I cut the 45 angle. I don't know if this is the right way, but I felt comfortable doing it. So this is what I do. So this is my baseboard. And to cut inside, this is how I do. Just to flush this one here. Because I need to cut the 45 angle inside. So I can get the measurement. So I'm going to start, guys. So flush it there, and then let's go. So as you can see, I already cut it. So here, 45 angle inside, 45 angle inside. So let's put it together. So this is what I called inside corner. So this one. So I already cut the baseboard for this area. So let's put it together. Just here and here. So as you can see, it's perfect. And so I just need to fix it and just put it on it. So wiggle everything. And so as you can see, guys, it's perfect. It's perfect. And so that's inside corner. So let's nail it. I'm going to nail it because it's done. Oh, I need to put the new nail. So this nail gun, if there's only 5 nail left, it won't work anymore. So I need to change it. I put a new nail. And so I already put new nail, guys. And then let's close it. And so I just need to work this. Done, guys. It's done, nailed and good. So guys, I'm going to measure this area, and we need less than 1 inch. So 1 inch minus 2. So guys, now I'm cutting the outside angle. So I already cut the other side. So this is the angle that I cut, as you can see. And now I'm cutting the other one. So here you go. Here we go. So here you go, guys. So this is the outside angle, so it would be like this way. As you can see. Wait. I'm gonna show you. Let me. So ayan, so this is the one that I just cut. And then here. So this is called the outside angle. As you can see. Oh. Perfect. And as you can see, ayan. So it's perfect, right? And so we put it together, and it's perfect. And so this is outside corner. And so let's put it there. So I already installed the outside corner baseboard and it's perfect. So as you can see, guys, ayan. There's an inside corner there, and this is the outside corner, and here is inside corner. It's perfect. So if you can see, there's a lot of stuff like this. I just need to put a wood filler and paint it. So this is the caulking that I'm going to use when I'm done installing all the baseboard and the trim. So this is color light gray. And so I just need to put here, if you can see. So put caulking here, and I can do here as well, as you can see. I'll put caulking here and then paint it. So this caulking is paintable.